Marketing is making you crave a $7 coffee by calling it Artisan Bean Therapy.
Marketing. It's turning a regular chair into an ergonomic life enhancer.
Marketing. It's convincing you that 10% off means you're saving money by spending more. It's packaging 3 chips in a giant bag and calling it family size. It's selling normal water for $15 with a drop of lemon as a detox miracle. Marketing is adding a plus to the product name and doubling the price.
For more this kind of videos, like, comment, and subscribe to Easy Marketing YouTube channel.